Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the canvas. Pick 16, 9 and set slide size to 1920 x 1080 so your export matches common screens. Once done, import all assets into one folder and drop them onto slides in order. Make visual decisions now, fonts, colors, and a simple master slide to save time later. Then insert any video or image files and name slides logically. This helps when you record narration and apply timings. Make sure to save a version copy before heavy edits. Now you focus on motion and voice. Begin by adding transitions and animations, then preview them while noting exact durations in seconds. Next, go to Slide Show Record to capture narration, speak clearly, and use a USB mic for better signal-to-noise. After recording, trim clip edges and realign animations so visuals appear exactly when you say them. Once done, enable slide timings from the recorded show and preview the entire sequence. Adjust pacing until the sync feels natural and deliberate. Finish by exporting. File export create a video, pick MP4, 1080p and 30 fps for a good balance of quality and size. Let PowerPoint render. This can take time, so be patient. After export, play the file on the device you plan to use and confirm audio sync and visual fidelity. If you hit problems, reopen the original deck, verify embedded media paths, and re-export. One key troubleshooting tip. If audio drifts, re-record narration and export again rather than compressing existing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.